Within the Settings app are several options you can use to configure the system. We'll talk about a few of them here. If we click System, we'll see various options we can use to modify the screen display, view the computer specifications, modify or uninstall applications, and configure other system preferences. In the Scale and Layout section, we see options that let us change the way the display looks. For example, we can increase the size of text here. We can also select and apply a different screen resolution. To see what kind of hardware and operating system is installed on your PC, click About from the left menu. Here we can see the version of Windows installed, the type of processor in the system, the amount of memory installed, and the computer's name. You can use power and sleep options to regulate how much electricity the system uses. To reduce power consumption, you can shorten these default times. They determine how long your computer can be idle before turning off the screen or putting the PC into a low-power sleep mode. Now, let's go back to the Settings app home screen. Devices manages peripheral devices such as printers, the mouse, and the keyboard. Network and Internet manages your network settings when connecting the system to a network. The Personalization option lets you change the way the display looks. For example, you can customize the current theme by selecting which desktop background, window color, and screensaver you want to use. To change the screensaver, select Lock Screen. Open the Screensaver Settings window and select a screensaver from the drop-down list. You can also specify how long the system must be idle before the screensaver automatically turns on. To apply the change, click OK. The Apps option lets you uninstall or modify apps, place restrictions on where you can install them from, and choose the default apps associated with specific file types. Accounts lets you manage user accounts and set up parental controls. The Time and Language option lets you set the date, time, region, and language used by the system. Ease of Access lets you configure accessibility settings. Finally, Update and Security helps you to maintain the most up-to-date security and backup settings for your PC.